Hey, this is a basic math. Let's solve it very fast. It's simple. First, let's clear this exponent. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. We have this 8 minus 8 in parentheses 8 minus 6. 8 minus 8 will give us 0. 0 times this 8 minus 6 will give us 2. 0 times 2 equals 0. But this answer is not correct. This is wrong. But we have to follow the order of operation because we have different operations so that we can solve each operation according to their priority. And when we do that, we will get the correct answer. To do this, we'll be using the order of operation, which is identified using the acronym PEMDAS, where this P stands for parentheses. We do the one in bracket first, and then this E stands for exponent, something that has power, and then these M and D stand for multiplication, and then the D stands for division. You evaluate it from left to right. This A and S is the last one we are going to do, and this is addition and the S is subtraction. You evaluate it from left to right. Now, looking at this equation, we can see that we have the parentheses here, so we are going to solve this first. 8 minus 6 will give us what? 2. So that gives us a new equation, which is 8 minus 2 to the power of 3. There's multiplication here, and then the 2, which is from 8 minus what? 6. The next we are going to work is the exponent according to order of operation. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So we have 8 minus this 8 times 2. According to PEMDAS here, don't forget, we are going to be doing the multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. So in this case, we have multiplication here. So we'll do the multiplication. Minus 8 times 2 will give us minus 16. And we have 8 here. 8 minus 16 is equals negative 8. And the correct answer to this equation is negative 8.